Bright tipple chords ring through the air, blending with the soft rhythm of the guacharaca. The delicate accents of the flauta de millo create an airy, ethereal vibe, setting the stage for the journey ahead. Acoustic guitar and tipple dance in an interplay that's both rhythmic and light. The cheer for the breeze of a river's embrace, their harmony is effortless, capturing the essence of joy in motion. The tambor alegre joins the scene, its steady beats adding depth as the gaita melody begins to soar. Events of inspiration and upliftment, a grand tropical ensemble emerges with majestic harmonies of the gaita leading the charge. Rhythms thrumming on the tipple let's joins the scene, creating a sort of endlessness. An intimate tipple solo takes the spotlight.
Cuando me quema, el sol es un castigo. La inscripción de la U es mi único objetivo. Con la brocha en la mano y poca experiencia, esta casa mal pintada está probando mi paciencia. El calor me deshidrata, el sudor es un río, pero entre tanto chorreo, algo cambia el brío. De repente apareció entre la cal y el desierto